Hi everyone and welcome back. If you're a fan of tapas, then you are going to love this recipe. This is Gambas Pil Pil. It is king prawns with a bit of chorizo infused in garlic and chili. It's a super simple recipe and I'm going to cook along with you today. So to get started on this recipe, just pre-chop some garlic and some chilies and start warming up the olive oil. So now you just want to toss in some of the chorizo and get that nicely softened up. It's a recipe that must feature the next time you are al fresco dining, having a barbecue or a garden party. It smells delicious, it tastes delicious. Gambas Pil Pil is the recipe for you. All that you need is a nice crusty roll to dunk into those beautiful juices. Grab a little prawn, grab a piece of chorizo and dive in. Absolutely delicious.